Hi guys, today I want to show you the unboxing of my Anker MagGo Power Bank. It's 10,000 milliamp with a 7.5 watt wireless charge, and I think it has a kickstand, as you can see over there. Okay, and as you already know, Anker is a very well-known US brand that make a lot of high quality electronic product like chargers, cable, and power banks. I bought it from Taobao, China for around $25. Okay, so let me provide you the technical spec of this power bank on the left side of the screen. Okay, so you can pause the video if you want to read the spec. Okay, as you can see in the spec sheet, you can charge this wireless power bank only via the USB-C port, while you can output both by the USB-C and USB Type A port. Okay, we'll see. What's inside the box. Boom. Yeah, there's some paperwork on the back. Okay, I think I go for the purple one. As you can see, there's a logo branding over there. Okay, the USB Type-C port. They support a Power IQ3. Okay, this one support Power IQ2, a power button, and there is just a light indicator port. Here there is a kickstand. It's not really magnetic, but I think it's whole. Okay, it doesn't drop. Okay, so I made it specifically, I think, for iPhone, that equipped with MagSafe. As you can see, there's a ring over there with its 10,000 milliamp capacity. I think it's good enough to charge your iPhone 14 Pro Max or 15 Pro Max for approximately 2 times, with its foldable stand and a very strong magnet. I think it's good to constantly provide you enough power for your smartphone without interrupting your multimedia session, I think. Okay, let's see it in action with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, boom. As you can see, hold up. It's look good. If there is a kickstand, okay, you can put it like that. Okay, put it like that, or you can put it like that. Okay, and you can watch the video. You can, okay, there is a screensaver over there. Okay, for your night clock. Okay, it's look good, and it's also keep charging. Boom. Okay, it's good. There's a light indicator to show you how much the power you have left. So it's look good, it looks practical. Okay, and it looks very portable. Okay, boom. Okay, so guys, please like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you all, and goodbye.